So to start off with, I'm first applying the MAC Strobe cream in the shade Gold Lite all over my face just for some glow. I actually love applying this as the first step because it just gives my skin a very healthy and nice glow. Next, taking the Kryolan Derma Color Camouflage Cream, I'm first going to dot it all over my face, and then with the help of this Real Techniques buffing brush, I'm going to buff it all over my face. I do have a separate review video on this camouflage cream, in-depth review. If you would like to check, I'm going to link it in the I button above, so you can definitely check it out. I'm also going to use the same camouflage cream and use it as my under eye concealer. Again, I'm just going to pat it with my fingers to blend in the camouflage cream under my eyes like so. Next, taking the Derma Color Fixing Powder, I'm going to set my entire face and my under eye area. And then taking the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil Bronzer, I'm going to slightly contour my face. So my camera stopped at this point, and I've just added my lipstick. I've used the shade Jade Rose from Nykaa, and now I'm going to just brush my eyebrows and then fill in my eyebrows like so. For eyeshadow, I'm first taking the shade Burnt Orange from the Modern Renaissance palette and applying it all over my crease like this. And next, taking the shade Red Ochre, I am going to apply it on the outer corners as well as the inner corner of my eye. I'm going to keep the center part blank because that is where we're going to give it kind of a spotlight effect. So just placing the color Red Ochre on the outer and the inner corner of my eyes first. Next, taking a clean fluffy brush, I'm just blending the edges. Next, taking the shade Bonfire from the Tann Beauty palette, I'm going to apply it on the center of my eyes. And then with the help of the fluffy brush, I'm just going to diffuse the harsh edges. I'm just going to blend again with the help of my fingers itself, because I feel with the help of my fingers it just gives a much more diffused look. And then taking the shade Highlight from the same Tann Beauty palette, I'm going to apply it over the Bonfire shade just to tone down the golden hue that it has. And then taking the shade Blow a Kiss from the same palette, I am taking a fluffy brush and just diffusing the harsh edges that can be seen. Just do this very lightly because you don't want to misplace the spotlight color that is there in the center, but just you want to diffuse the edges. I'm again taking the shade Blow a Kiss and applying it on the bottom part of my eyes. Next I'm curling my lashes using the Clinique Chubby Mascara. Next I'm just applying a very thin eyeliner because I have to wear eyelashes. By the way, I do have a separate video on how to wear false lashes for beginners with lots of tips and tricks. I'm again going to link it in the I button up above. So if you are a beginner and if you want to know how to wear lashes, then you can definitely check that video out. So right here I'm just applying a very thin liner. Next I'm going to apply lashes, and the one I'm using here is by Uroparis. This is their Pro 1 lashes. And after I'm done applying the lashes, I am taking the Lakme Absolute Kohl and I am tightlining my eyes over here. I'm also using the same kohl and applying it as a kajal as well. Next I'm taking this Elegant blush and slightly applying this blush on my cheeks. Next I'm taking this PAC highlighter and highlighting the high points of my face as well as my nose. And then I'm also using the same highlighter and applying in the inner corner of my eyes like so. So that's it guys, just add some bindi and earrings and then you're good to go.